condensate spray the gland sealing steam to the LP gland is de-superheated to an acceptable temperature, or the LP end of the turbine. The low-pressure packing is located on the condenser end of the turbine rotor near the number 1 journal bearing. Steam turbine shafts have been designed with a feature to prevent steam leakage called labyrinth seals. These seals are sharp, thin, raised edges that protrude toward the shaft from the gland ring and fit into ridges and valleys machined into the turbine shaft. They are precisely machined to fit very closely within one another to make a labyrinth or tortuous path for steam to travel, thus slowing or stopping steam leakage along the turbine shaft. The intermediate stage packing is located at the reheat steam inlet and is a seal between the high pressure and intermediate pressure sections of the turbine. The high pressure packing is located on the generator end of the turbine rotor. As the main steam exits the high pressure turbine, some of that steam goes up through the balance pipes to the intermediate pressure section. More steam bleeds through the packing and goes out 2 pipes on the bottom of the casing. This bleed-off steam goes to the gland steam condenser. The gland steam system also accepts leak-off steam from the main steam stop valves, main steam control valves, reheat steam stop valves, and the reheat steam intercept valves. This leak-off steam is routed to the gland steam condenser. The gland steam condenser is provided to condense the leak-off steam from the packing glands and the steam valve stems. Steam leakage from the turbine packing glands enters the shell and is condensed by the cooling water and transferred to the main condenser from the lower part of the shell through a drain trap. Gland steam exhauster blowers are used to help pull the gland steam into the gland condenser and to exhaust any non-condensable gases that may be entrained in the gland exhaust.